4 uwehes. And this is going to scoop and scoop and scoop and scoop. And this hand's going to go above your head and back. Now the left's going to go above in here. Then it's going to go side, forward, together, side, forward, together. So it's 1 uwehe, 2 uwehe, 3 uwehe, 4. You're going to do a back kaholo. Back, 2, 3, 4, a forward kaholo. Forward, 2, 3, 4. Side, forward, together, side, forward, reverse. The left and the right and the left and the right and back on the left, forward on the right and side, forward together and side, forward together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and right uwehe, left uwehe, right uwehe, left. Go back on the right, go forward on the left, go out, side, forward together, side, forward, left uwehe, left uwehe, right uwehe, left, go back on your left foot, back on the left, forward on the right, go out, side, forward together, side, forward together. Questions? 5, 6, 7 and 1 uwehe, 2 uwehe, 3 uwehe, 4, go back, back on the right, forward on, take it out, side, forward together, go back, left foot now, the left uwehe, right uwehe, left uwehe, go back on the left, back on the left, forward on the right, and side, forward together, side, forward together. Okay, but you've got to stay down on your kaholos. You can't do those uwehes and then stand up tall and do your uwehes down low and then stand up tall on your kaholos. You've got to stay down. Don't have that boom, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right uwehe, left uwehe, right. Go back, back on your right, forward, take it out. Side, forward together, side, left foot. Left uwehe, right uwehe, left uwehe, go back. Back on the left, forward on, take it out. Side, forward together, side, forward together, and pow. The trick of it is going back and forward to make sure you've got the right arm going with you. So if you go back on the right, which arm's going to be above your head? The right. Right. Okay. One more time. 5. We'll try it this way. 5, 6, 7, and 1 uwehe, 2 uwehe, 3 uwehe, go back. Back and back and. I'm going to say left. Left uwehe, right uwehe, left. Go back, back and forward and take it out. Side, forward together, side, forward together, and pow. Okay, she's right, I was wrong. It's out. So it's here. It's back on the right and back on the left. It stays out. Back and back. Okay?
I think she had it kind of like, so you're going, it wasn't like here.
No, it's in your space.
Right.
Remember your space? You don't want it out here. You want it in your realm. Again, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1 uwehe, 2 uwehe, 3 uwehe. Put that arm out. Back on the right now. Forward on the left side. Side, forward together. Side, forward, left side. Left uwehe, right uwehe, left uwehe. Go back on the left. Put that arm out now. Put that arm out. Go side, side, forward together. Side, forward together. That makes it harder, huh? Okay, do it again. 7 and right uwehe, left uwehe, right uwehe, left. Go back. Take that arm and put it to your chest. Take that arm and put it to your chest. Side, forward together. Side, forward, left side. Left uwehe, right uwehe, left. Go back on the left foot. Take it all the way around. Take it all the way and round. Down, forward together, uwehe, side, forward together, uwehe. Got it? One more time? One time, we'll put it away. 5, 6, 7, and 1 uwehe, 2